We've always pursued one goal: delivering a better multicolor printing experience, constantly evolving for speed and material efficiency. Anycubic's first-gen ACE tech revolutionized multicolor printing systems with active drying, a complete solution for multi-material printing. Then came ACE Gen 2 technology, the industry's first 4-channel integrated toolhead, built-in 4-color capability. But single-nozzle toolheads still create purge waste, costing time and filament. So how can multicolor printing match single-color efficiency? We went back to first principles. Quad-nozzle toolhead design. Introducing ACE Gen 3, the 3rd-gen solution. 4 independent nozzles in one integrated toolhead. Change colors in under 2 seconds for the ultimate efficiency. Purge-free, zero purge waste. Multicolor efficiency now rivals single-color printing. Effortlessly master multi-material printing using different-sized nozzles simultaneously. The next evolution is coming. Stay tuned.